Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Kind of a late start to today's vlog, but check this out. This is the reason why I love summertime. We got all of the Subis out here. We are missing Diego today, but this is one of the... Oh, he's coming? We do have exciting news today. By the title of this video, you know that Josh finally got new wheels for his WRX that we can't show you just yet. We also have something else to tell you guys that's very exciting. On that note of wheels, I curved my wheels. Check that out, dude.
Where's your curved wheel?
I'm so sad about that, dude.
Ew, not even me. And my
Look at that. I pulled in too deep on a curve and I hit it, and luckily they're rep wheels and they're not the real wheels that I want, so it's all good. How much?
Still need to pay it off.
You still haven't paid it?
No, but I got till the 10th of July.
How much was it?
Like 110.
Not bad. Ongo's car, got Marco's Subi, and Luis's car. Luis is actually going to be throwing on the old wheels that Josh had, those white ones. He's going to be throwing those on his car pretty soon here, so I'm excited to see what that looks like.
I like white on gray.
White on gray? Yeah, it's going to look good. I don't think Luis wants to keep gray though. You don't want to keep gray?
I do not want to keep gray.
I mean white? White wheels?
I want white wheels for one reason only, and that'd be to get a paint job.
Who's this?
It's my baby.
Mascot.
State your name.
Car!
Nice to meet you, Car.
Edit a little voice.
Oh hey! Kubi, come here.
Are we just gonna add like the whole fam here?
All the fam is here. Kubi, come here. Come here. Hey! Hello.
What's up?
I can't show you your wheels yet.
It's dirty now. Go!
Let's go get some beers. Let's go get some beers and make some burgers at...
Danny has a grill?
Danny, you have a girl?
How old are you?
I just
Oh
turned
wow!
You're about to be 21.
Go. Oh
Go.
my god, I'm scared.
Go!
I'm fucking scared.
So Josh's wheels are actually already on his car. We weren't able to film that. This year Subaru actually has a specific sensor inside of the wheels. What's that thing called?
The TPMS, tire pressure monitor system. My white wheels had my sensors in them, and I just wanted them to mount my new wheels, and I'm actually gonna sell those to Frijol. But what originally happened was I was just gonna have them mount the wheels, and then we were gonna put them on for you guys on the video. And they actually didn't want to give me my car back because they had to put the sensors in the new wheels, so I just had them thrown on.
We weren't able to actually leave the tire shop without those sensors. I guess it's like
Illegal.
whatever. But that happened. We thought might as well just throw them on while they're there. So they're on the car, and should we show them now?
Okay, we can.
Should we show them?
Yeah,
Show them?
I'm gonna do sunlight.
Alright. Bam, guys, so there it is. Those are the new wheels. Wombo, tell them what you went with, man.
Enki NT03.
Enki NT03s. Super good choice, I think. What's up?
Isn't it Enkai? I don't know.
Enki. Enki or
Enki,
Enkai? Enki or
I've heard-
Enkai?
I've
Comment
heard
down
both.
below.
I've heard both.
But damn, dude, these look so good now. Thoughts? Ongo. Good choice?
Great choice.
Great choice. White or gold?
I still love the white.
I think gold, dude. Gold won me. It's the original colors. Yeah.
So what originally happened was I ordered these off a certain site, and they were like on back order for like 3 months. So I just wanted them. I know I didn't have the patience for it, but I ended up just going with gold.
What'd you want originally?
I originally had ordered gunmetal.
So like my color, like a gunmetal gray. I think this is a good choice though.
Or bronze. It was gunmetal, bronze, and then gold. they both didn't work out, so I'm still very happy with the decision I did.
Dude, they look so good. Another change with these wheels specifically that the white ones were not is this is a 40 offset, so they sit a little tucked in, and I think it looks so much better with them tucked in. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
For tires, Josh went with the Sumitomo, and they are 255
35
18. So those are the wheels, guys.
I like them a lot better than the white. Only reason being is because I couldn't really enjoy the white. So every time I would just drive down the street, they would get super dirty. But so these could cover up the dirt a little bit more.
You can't say that in front of the new buyer. Not buying them anymore.
No.
On camera that before someone roasts me on.
Okay, roast him.
On go roast me right
Here?
That way nobody else can.
Fist that thing, dude. So with new rims, you also got a lift kit?
Dude, you can straight fist this thing. Damn.
Coming soon.
So tune in next year for the new coilovers on Josh's car. No, but that's honestly the only thing this car needs now is just you lower it a little bit and it'll be, look.
A little excitement dance.
Go, 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 twerk, twerk, twerk.
Danny's gonna show us his shuffling skills. He used to be a real shuffler.
Do you like these better or white?
I like white.
Really?
I've been
Dude, I
I've been
think
eyeing
these
his
are
rim.
so
I've been
sick.
eyeing his since he got them. Those white ones were crazy.
I think these are so much better.
I don't know. I like too many spokes, but I don't know about that little rim that is surrounding the spokes.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like I like that the
I like
most.
that too.
Like this one right here.
I feel like it grew on me, but
These wheels were actually inspired by Eddie. He doesn't have them on his car anymore, but if you guys haven't checked out his page, he's got a sick ass STI blah blah.
Make sure you guys give him a follow. Eddie, sorry to hear about your car, man. Really sucks, but I hope everything turns out well and you get that door fixed. Also guys, if you haven't checked out Geared Performance, make sure you check them out. They tuned Luis's car, my car. You still gotta switch to Geared Performance, get the sauce. And Wombo still needs to get his tuned by Clint, but we'll link them right here as well. Make sure you give them a follow. Head out here and show you guys the lake. It was actually a really nice sunset today and
Kind of missed it.
kind of missed it. Yeah, we were a little late. Look at that. We need to get a house on the beach. Some more good news that just happened. Yesterday was actually our last day working, so we are officially jobless and doing YouTube full time. That's gonna be starting on July 1st. We're gonna be doing daily vlogs for a whole month, and we'll go from there.
Guys, if everything goes as planned, hopefully on July 1st we might take a trip down to San Jose. If these guys decide to tag along, might go check out Weekfest.
Hopefully we make it out to Weekfest in San Jose. We're not 100% sure if we're gonna be out there, but we will try our best to make it.
Hashtag jump in the lake if you guys want Danny to jump in the lake with his clothes on.
We should make a bet. Next video, whoever loses jumps in with their clothes on.
Nude instead. So that's gonna do it. Let me know your thoughts on the new wheels. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you guys next week.
Fire when the strong hits you.
that's it, friend.